This story, that is A Tale of Two Birds, is about a bird which had two babies. The bird used to live in the forest along with the two newborn babies. One day there was a very strong storm blowing and that made many trees fall down. Even their tree fell down, and due to which one of the branches fell down on their nest and destroyed it. So the baby mother that was here got killed, and the wind blew the two babies along with it to two different places. One baby fell down onto the cave where the robbers lived, the other flew down to the Rishi's ashram. Next day, after some days, there was a day when the king of the kingdom was just going through the forest because he was on a hunt. He noticed a deer, and on the way when he was following the deer, he got tired and he decided to sit in the shade of a tree that was near the cave. There he heard a voice that was saying, "Come, rob quickly the jewels of the kings, otherwise he would go." When he noticed and he just looked up at the tree, he found a brown bird sitting over there. So, scared of being robbed, he just rushed from there. Next, on his way into the forest, he noticed a Rishi's ashram. He decided to rest there for some time. So, in the shade when he was sitting there, he noticed another brown bird that was exactly similar to the previous one. So, when he inquired, he was told by the brown bird, yes, it is the other brother of the same bird only, but they don't talk anymore. That lives in the place where the robbers lived, and now this one is living in the Rishi's ashram. After some point of time, the Rishi himself came out of the ashram and he welcomed Raja into the kingdom, into his own ashram. The kingdom was his own ashram there, right? So he was welcomed, and when the king inquired and he told the whole story about the two birds, the Rishi explained it is the one's company by which he or she is known. So here is the company that is deciding the character of the bird, that is the company of both the birds is deciding what kind of a character that bird is going to have.